Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And here we go, guys. Alright. And this is coming from ilikable, I think. But click on the link. Check these guys out. And see what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. Shower Caddy. Space saving, easy installation. 1 pack. Space saving. Yeah, ilikable. I don't know if you guys could read that, but it'll be in the link. All I gotta do is click it. This thing's sliding everywhere. Alright, here we go, guys. So definitely need one of these shower caddies. Thank you guys for sending me this unit. Oh, we got some suction cups. Definitely an easy one to put in. I'll definitely install it in this video. How do I get it out? Alright, here we go. Nice white color. There we go. Alright. So we got, it says right here, push. Gotta remove the plastic. Oh yeah. That's good. Second one, same thing. Get this plastic out. There we go. Plastic is out. How do I do this without looking? I might have to look. How do you install on the back side? It's got the manual. Oh, see? So you can have it either in the middle or like this. You can have it. I think I'm gonna go 3-way, this way. That's locked in. There we go. Heard the lock, pop, lock, and drop. And now we're gonna lock it into the bathroom in about 2.5 seconds. Guys, here it is. Got it installed. I gotta restock up on my washing stuff. Detergent and everything else. Shampoos. So definitely need to stock up. And then, yeah, pretty easy. You just gotta push it in and it locks into place. Really nice. You can always, pop it back out and move it around wherever you want to put it. So really nice shower caddy. Definitely check them out. Use my Amazon affiliate link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Be safe. Have a good night.